If you want to know what plant-based diet is and what are its benefits and some of the important plant-based diet meal plans, then keep watching the video. A plant-based diet is based on foods derived from plants, such as whole grain, vegetables, nuts, legumes, seeds, and fruits. People choose plant-based diet for many health reasons. If you properly plan your plant-based diet, then it might be very helpful for you and can support your health and fitness level at any stage of life. Plant-based diet is affordable, tasty, and nutritious. Plant-based diet such as beans, nuts, seeds, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains such as oats, rice, and cereal-based foods such as bread and pasta can provide all the essential nutrients that are important for a healthy body. Not only that, plant-based diet also provide essential protein, fats, minerals, vitamins, and plenty of fiber as well. Plant-based foods that are low in saturated fat can surely help you manage your weight and may reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. If you want to take full advantage of a plant-based diet, then your diet needs to be planned and well organized. Because if you're avoiding animal foods, then you're missing many important nutrients. So you need to consume those essential nutrients from plant-based diet in order to maintain a healthy body. So here are most important nutrients you need to consume if you're following a whole plant-based diet. Number 1. Calcium. Calcium is a very important nutrient for bones. An adult person needs to consume 700 milligrams of calcium per day. If you don't consume that much amount of calcium, then in order to function properly, your body will start taking calcium from your bones and it will weaken your bones. So if you are following a whole plant-based diet, then you must eat foods that are rich in calcium such as nuts, chickpeas, kidney beans, tofu, and leafy green vegetables. Number 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are very important for a healthy heart and are highly present in fish. But if you are following a whole plant-based diet, then you can get omega-3 fatty acids from walnuts, soybean, chia seeds, and flaxseed. Number 3. Protein. Another important nutrient for healthy muscles. You can get protein from plant-based foods such as kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, nuts, seeds, tofu, and peanut butter. Number 4. Iron. Rich sources of iron in plant-based foods are whole grain, dried fruits, green leafy vegetables, and seeds. Iron absorption from plant foods are less effective as compared to the absorption of iron derived from animal foods. So you need to consume more vitamin C. This will help your body to absorb iron more effectively. Number 5. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is required by our body for many health reasons. Deficiency of vitamin B12 can cause anemia, fatigue, nerve damage, and can develop cardiovascular diseases. People can easily get vitamin B12 from animal products like fish, meat, eggs, and milk. But if you're following a whole plant-based diet, then you need plant foods that are rich in vitamin B12, such as almonds, rice, and breakfast cereals.